Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the basics of wireless communication. The subject code is EC3501 wireless communication, going to be presented by Dr. T. Surya, Assistant Professor ECE Department, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology, Kenathakadavu. So today in today's class we are going to discuss about the basics of wireless communications. So let's see the overview first. So first thing is definition of wireless communications. So what is wireless communication? Wireless communication is the process of transmitting and receiving signals in the form of electromagnetic waves in the free space. So the signal here represents the data it can be of any form. It can be of data or voice. That signal can be transmitted from one place to other place through air. Here air acts as a transmission medium. So it is the process of transmitting and receiving signals in the form of electromagnetic waves in free space. Let's see the need for wireless communications. There are certain needs for wireless communication, such as it should cover global coverage, and it should be freedom from wires, and it should communicate without any physical connections, and it has to stay connected, flexibility to connect multiple devices. So next is the properties of electromagnetic waves. So some of the properties are they do not require any medium for propagation, and they propagate in a vacuum with a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature, and they do not reflected by electric and magnetic fields. So let's see the difference between wired and wireless communications. Here in wired communication, the transmitter and receiver are connected by a physical medium. So in wireless communication, air is acting as a physical medium between the transmitter and receiver. And in wired communication, channels are stationary and predictable. In wireless, the channels are random and do not offer easy analysis. In wired communication, the installation cost is more, whereas in wireless communication, the cost of installation is very less compared to wired. So in wired communication, the global coverage is not possible, whereas in wireless communication, the global coverage is possible. In wired communication, it is fixed and stationary, and wireless it offers mobility. And let's see the transmission mode. What is transmission mode? So the way in which the data is transmitted from one device to other device is known as transmission mode. So this mode is also known as communication mode. There are three types of transmission modes are there, that is simplex, half duplex and full duplex. Simplex mode is nothing but the communication is unidirectional, that is only in one direction. So a device can only send data but cannot receive it, or it can only receive data but cannot send it. So the performance of this mode is low as compared to other modes. Example, monitor which displays only output, the keyboard which can only accept data from the users. So these are some of the examples of simplex mode. Next is half duplex. So the communication will be bidirectional, that is both direction but not at the same time. So the device can able to send and receive the data but not at the same time. The performance of this mode is better than simplex mode but less than full duplex mode. So example, walkie-talkie. Next is full duplex mode. This communication is bidirectional, that is the device can able to send and receive the data simultaneously at same time. So the performance of this mode is high as compared to other modes. So example, two computers are connected via Ethernet cable, USB, etc. These are some of the examples of full duplex mode. Thank you.